Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating a clustered column chart. So we're on the basics worksheet, and I want to begin by selecting the range that we're going to do. Now, one of the tips for creating charts is don't just select the numbers. Select some of the adjoining text, because Excel will make intelligent use of that when it creates the chart. So I'm going to select the names of my products here, as well as sales in 2011 and 2012, as I'm about to create my chart. I'm going to go up to Insert, and I'm going to go up here to Insert Column Chart, and it's going to be a 2D clustered column chart. Okay, now I can obviously change the style of the chart and things like that. One of the things that you sometimes want to do is switch the rows and columns. So right now this is grouped by product. So widget sales for 2011-2012 are grouped together. Same with gadgets, same with Hamcost, same with Henway. If I switch row and columns, it's the same data, but it's now grouped with all of the 2011 products together and then all of the 2012 products together. So that's one of the things you might want to do. You can also change the chart title. So I could type in a new title here. But that's a basic introduction to clustered column charts. Thanks very much.